What's up, guys? This is Booney from Backwoods Customs. Today we're working on a cop car. It's a 2014 Impala Limited, which is an old body. So we're going to replace the battery, and I'm going to clean up some of the wires and stuff too, which if you're interested in just replacing a battery, you don't really got to pay attention to any of that. But I've been having some problems with it, like going dead in a day or so. I don't know if it's some of the cop car stuff on there. The battery's been replaced 2 years ago. So we're going to get it out. We're going to put a new battery in because I need to move it around, and then we'll take that one to have it charged and checked at AutoZone. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. There's 2 bolts here, or 2 nuts here. I'm going to try to flip this up out of the way, and I'm going to clean up some of these wires, like I said, that aren't factory to the car, and then I'm going to get this big brace out of the way. All right, so we got the negative off, which is just a little 10mm. You just loosen that and it'll pop off. Same with the positive. Now down here is a 13. That goes to the battery hold down. As you can see, we also moved this bar. We just took these 2 out and pushed it over a little bit to give us a little bit of room. I don't know how this battery is going to come out of here because this doesn't really move around that much. We did take those 2 nuts off. A little tighter than it needs to be, I believe. And then see, you'll get your bolt and you get your wedge, which is what holds your battery in. And let's see if we can figure out a way to wiggle this guy around and get him out of here with all this extra cop car wiring too. Makes it a lot of fun. And you want to be careful not to touch your positive and negatives to the body or anything like that. Negatives don't matter, but positive does. Radiator hose does not move. That can't be the way. Ooh, this battery was bulged at some point in time. Alright guys, I'm going to try to show you. It takes a lot of screw jerking around. Whether it's because it's a cop car or just Chevy things, I'm not sure. But we got the old one out, and I'll show you attempting to get the new one in.
So you want me to hold this?
Okay. So how do we do it like this? Yeah, it sure does. Okay. Way harder than any battery I've ever done in my entire life. And that includes Stratus batteries that you have to do in through the freaking fender well. So this is the easy part now. Just basically put this bolt back in, put your 2 terminals on, and you're done. Battery's in solid, so we're going to put the post back on. We're going to put these 2 nuts back on, the cover back on, and you are good to go. If you don't feel comfortable doing batteries, don't do this battery because that is shady. But I hope this helped you guys. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more nonsensory, I guess. I don't really know what you would call it, but thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one, guys.